Need your Wise bank statements? It's easy to download them as PDFs or CSVs for your records. First, log into your Wise account either through the mobile app available on iOS and Android or on the website at wise.com. Once logged in, navigate to the Statements or Accounts section. Look for something like Download Statements. You'll then need to select the specific account type you want a statement for, whether it's a personal or business account. Choose the date range you need. You can customize it for specific periods. Finally, pick your preferred format: PDF for easy viewing and printing, or CSV for data analysis in spreadsheet software like Excel or Google Sheets. Depending on your security settings, you might need to confirm the download via two-factor authentication. Once confirmed, the statement will download directly to your device. Remember, statements are usually available for the past 2 years, and for older statements, you may need to contact Wise support. Wise bank statements provide a detailed record of your account activity, including incoming and outgoing transfers, currency conversions, fees, and your account balance. They are essential for various purposes like tax filing, expense tracking, auditing, and even resolving disputes. The PDF format is great for sharing with accountants or authorities, as it includes transaction details, fees, and a summary, often with Wise's branding. The CSV format, on the other hand, is perfect for importing into spreadsheet software for in-depth analysis and budgeting. Wise uses advanced technology for transaction verification, ensuring the accuracy of your statements. Always verify your statements against your transaction history to identify any discrepancies. Wise is also continuously improving its statement features with AI, like automated transaction categorization, and focusing on integrations with third-party apps such as Mint or accounting software like QuickBooks, making financial management even more efficient.